Introducing Peder Mork Monsted, a renowned artist whose life experiences have greatly influenced his stunning works of art. Born in 1859, Monsted grew up in a small town surrounded by the beauty of nature. His love for the outdoors and his childhood adventures in the woods and fields greatly shaped his artistic vision. In 1895, Monsted created bright blue sky over a spring forest with newly sprouted anemones, a vivid depiction of the changing seasons. This piece captures the essence of spring, with vibrant anemones blooming against a clear blue sky. It reflects Monsted's deep connection with the natural world and his ability to convey its beauty on canvas. Another notable artwork is A Spring Day in the Woods at Saeby from 1896. This painting transports us to a serene forest setting, where sunlight filters through the trees and illuminates the foliage. The tranquil atmosphere and attention to detail showcase Monsted's keen observation skills and his ability to capture the play of light and shadow. Monsted's experiences with rural life are evident in pieces like The Cows Are Pulled Home One Summer Evening from 1897. This painting depicts the end of a long summer day, as farmers guide their cows back home. The warm hues and peaceful ambience evoke a sense of contentment and nostalgia, reflecting Monsted's intimate familiarity with rural landscapes. Traveling along the coast, Monsted created Coastal View in 1900. This artwork presents a breathtaking vista of the sea meeting the shore, with rolling waves crashing against rocks. The dynamic composition and skillful use of color showcase Monsted's ability to capture the grandeur of nature. Lastly, we have Laundry Day from 1899, which captures a domestic scene with women washing clothes by a stream. This painting highlights Monsted's versatility as an artist, as he masterfully captures both the beauty of landscapes and the everyday routines of people. Through his experiences and deep connection with nature, Peder Mork Monsted has created a body of work that continues to captivate audiences. His ability to portray the beauty of the natural world and the simplicity of everyday life is a true testament to his talent and artistic vision.